It's a myth. Ambot kinsa ka buhat ang papela ni ani nakuha.
Hi, my name is Aries, and I am the Chief of Sales, Northern Mindanao for Greenergy Development Corp.
I am Celine, the licensed owner of Eco Store Cagayan de Oro.
My name is Reynaldo Hill G. Lomarda or Datu Makadingding. I'm the co-founder and president of Green Minds Incorporated.
Hi, my name is Shari. I am the founder of The Happy Earth.
Hello, my name is Yuri, and I'm the creator and owner of Sako CDO. Sako is a kind of bag. No? It's a boho bag. It's made out of flour sacks. No? That's why it's Sako. So just change the spelling a little bit. I do help women in the community, especially those women dili bitaw makahawa sa ilang balay tungod kay naigabantayan nga bata. So I bring my cutouts of Sako to their homes. No? That's where they can sew it para dili na sila kinahanglan mulakaw sa ilang balay. And also we have sewers who are PWDs also.
The Happy Earth is a social enterprise. So when you go into the Happy Earth, it's a little bit, or not just a little bit, but it's actually unconventional or going out of the traditional way of buying things. And that is for you to bring your own packaging because our products are unpackaged. What we aim is to provide Filipino families with their essentials or their commodities package-free.
Green Minds Incorporated is a 22 years old, self-sustaining, non-government organization based here in Cagayan de Oro. We create our own income by giving trainings, and our main clientele is indigenous peoples in the marginalized sector. Urban Salt, where in one bottle, you're helping two communities, the coastal communities of Alubihid, Gitagom, Lagindingan, and the other, because of the herbs, we're helping the hinterland communities of Malitbog, Bukidnon.
Eco Store supports local. It's a sustainable lifestyle kind of restaurant. And then we offer, we have few of these products at the back. So we have our own sourdough bread. We also have our 3 sauces that has arrabbiata, which is tomato, made of tomatoes. And then we also have altono and pesto. And it's all made naturally and not processed.
We basically provide solar rooftop systems, solar street lighting, solar irrigation, or bisag unsa nga solar.
What does it mean to be a sustainable business?
Okay, ang sustainable man gud is malaho tayon. So pasabot, para mahimo ka sustainable, ang imong resources dili nimo i-deplete. So, pasabot, renewable mo gigamit, no? Not only financially, of course, kay kasunod bang yung triple bottom line, people, planet, profit, no? 3Ps.
As far as I know, being sustainable is helping your business grow, but as well as not contributing to the kadaghan na bitaw sa basura sa kalibutan, and of course, helping the community also. Dili lang kay imo lang kaugalingon.
People think that going green is expensive, but I would like to refute that.
I would like to break the myth or the misconception that this lifestyle is just for the rich, because it's totally not.
We gathered statements from the public on misconceptions, assumptions, or challenges about going green as a business. So your job this afternoon is to tell us whether it's a myth or a reality.
Okay. What I do as a business has no direct impact on forest and the environment as a whole. Totally a myth.
This is not true. This is a myth.
Myth, first rule of environment. All things are interconnected.
The little things that we do in our businesses, even as simple as papel, actually, the way we use our paper, no, na siya impact sa ato ang mga forest, sa atong environment, because aman gikan atong paper, we get that from trees.
Ako, ga-farm man ko na ako sa bukid. Kung mag-erode ang yuta, Unsa may labot na ako mutaas ang presyo sa isda sa Kugon? Because ang nag-evolve nga yuta niya dito sa corals, natabo na, namatay ang corals, ang isda nagpalayo, ang mangingisda, moadto paglaod, mahal kayong tubig, edi na saka.
Actually, tanan nato gabuhaton, bisag unsa pa na makaapekto na sa atong kinaiyahan. No? So, tanan. As in, tanan.
There are no big benefits or practical ROI to becoming a sustainable business. This is a myth. In fact, this is a lie.
It's a myth.
This is a big myth.
ROI, return on investment. There's such a thing as SROI, that's social return on investment. There's EROI, that's environmental return on investment.
The return of investment is very practical. If you are a businessman and you care about ROI, you care about payback period, it should be easy. It should be easy because you'll get more returns, not only monetarily, but also, you know, you can help the environment and send a message that you are a green business.
Kawante mo anang word nga feel good. Kana palang daan, grabe na kadako nga benepisyo para sa imong kaugalingon. Lami paminawon nga nakatabang ka.
Even if the ROI is not so kana makuha nimo siya diretso, what I meant is you are helping other people. So murag ma-double siya even if dili dako imong makuha, but the thought of helping farmers and other consumers, dako na kay siyang tabang for you, not in profit but in kanang bayanihan or either kanang sustaining their business.
Nakoy upat ka components. Okay? Nakoy basakan, nakoy manihan, nakoy aquaculture. Pwede man gud na mukuha kog tubig tagsa-tagsa or pwede gikan sa isda ipadagan ako ang tubig sa akong manihan, sa akong sagingan. So isa same spot, same na tubig ang gigamit. That's sustainability. Di ba mas makasave ko, mas dako akong ROI kay gamay akong investment sa volume sa tubig. Okay? So it's a myth.
Sunod. Mahal kaayo ang pag-integrate og sustainability sa among negosyo busa dili ni makaya. Truth and myth. It's something in between. Kay pareha sa ako, mo nang isa sa akong problema actually is mahal akong baligya. Mahal akong baligya tungod kay naamang gutay gatabangan. Dili lalim ang pag-produce o mga tao pod nga atong ginapabuhatan dili nato pwede baraton.
I would say this is a myth. Even though, yes, there's a big cost that will affect your pockets. Every business is not that easy to start if you don't have the money. Let's face it. But integrating sustainability in our business is something that is realistic for all businesses. As simple as, you know, practicing to lower your cost, or maybe if you're into food business or manufacturing business, maybe you can try to look for equipments that, you know, lower the consumption of your electricity.
It's a myth again because in this business we are doing back to basic system. The way that we cook our food is we don't use any microwaves. We don't even use kanang processed na food, but as what I've been telling, like our sauces are made of from scratch. So galutuon siya slow cooking.
Myth or reality? Mythality. Nga naman. Una, pwede man gyud nga mas mahal. I mean, example, ikaw tag-Jollibee. Styrofoam. Unsay mas barato? Katong styrofoam nga sudlanan or katong gikan sa sugarcane bagas? Katong sugarcane bagas, sustainable man gyud to. Mas mahal man gyud to. Pero tan-aw nato in the long run, may mas barato. Mugasto tagdako karon o mangita taglaing planeta. Kay mo didto magiging paingon tanan.
This is actually more of being mindful to how you use your resources. Always putting the environment at first and evaluating if this practices in your business has a negative or a positive effect in the environment.
Promoting sustainability as a business is just for big companies and corporations. Myth. Anong myth man siya? Wala may big company nagsugod og big. Small man na tanan. Kung gusto ta mo lahutay, the best place to start is inside your household. If you can't do it at your home, you can't do it anywhere.
It's a myth because we have clients who are small kanang mga water refilling stations. We have clients who are whose business is kanang gagmay nga mga sari-sari store, mini groceries. So I don't think this is just for big companies.
For now, because of advocacies like this, where we get, or platforms like this, where we get our voices heard, I would say this is a myth. I am very thankful because, you know, there is a platform like this that gets our voices heard, so that we can, you know, we can spread our advocacy, what we do in the rest of the communities. Promoting sustainability is definitely something that is not hard at all.
Tanan dapat, gamay or dagko nga negosyo, promote yun nato ang dapat sustainability ani. So kanang actually kanang mga dagko nga kumpanya gani dapat mo shift na sila towards sustainability. Dili sustainability sa ilang negosyo mismo, but sustainability for the planet. Galisod na og cope ang atong kinaiyahan sa atong gapangbuhaton sa kalibutan, no? Kaniya sa atong kinaiyahan.
If we make claims about sustainability, we'll be accused of greenwashing. Actually, it's a myth. That's what I've been telling. For doing sustainability lifestyle kind of business, it should be the culture that would come from you. If you want it to be sustainable, kaya gyud. Diba? So dili siya pa show. At least you're helping our environment and you're helping yourself too.
Probably 20 years ago, this is true, but right now, I think there is pride already when your business is sustainable. A lot of our clients take pride in their businesses having solar panels, you know, getting energy from the sun. It's something that they show to their, you know, to their friends. I don't think there is greenwashing that's actually happening. So there's no problem. In fact, it's an added value to the businesses, right? When you produce your chicharron, or you produce your lemon juice using renewable energy, that adds a value to your product. So I hope companies will also do that.
Totally a myth. It will depend on the, you know, the intention. But if you are a social entrepreneur or a small business owner like me that's starting something for an environment like this is not greenwashing at all. This is what I do. This is what you will do. What you do for your family, for yourself, for your community.
Nagitaw nga moingon nga greenwashing ni siya, no? Pero dili ta magpadala na. Didto ta sa kanang gatuog yun sa imong gabuhaton, no? Sa pagtabang sa kinaiyahan.
Why should businesses go green?
Businesses should go green if they really want to last. Because whatever happens, their business is in this planet.
Actually, di ba late na ta sa pagtabang sa atong kinaiyahan, nung gakita na nato ang mga epekto sa ginabuhat sa katawhan sukad pa sa una hangtod karon. Sea levels are rising. It's not a myth, no? It's real. Init na kayo ang kalibutan. So, unsa pa may atong gahulatan? As much as possible, if you can think of anything, any business, if you want to do business, himo ang green siya nga business, no?
If we're all just for the profit, that is something that will really hurt us. I really believe that, you know, whatever kind of business you have, there's always a way to incorporate or to practice sustainability or going green.
If you want to help the environment, do support local and sustainable businesses, especially local and sustainable businesses. No?
So I think that it's important for them to support businesses who are sustainable, because it also pushes and sends a message to other businesses that they have to do the same. Because the more we patronize as consumers those products and services that are sourced that are sustainable, then the more chances that all other businesses will do the same.
It is our way of helping environment, especially that we are our own person that could also multiply our advocacy to other people, especially in other businesses.
People are afraid to change, companies are afraid to change, but we need to let them know that it's okay. It's okay to change for the better.